Hello everyone, my name is Yos. I just made a Bible read tracker and we can jump right into it. This is the Bible read tracker. This is demo data, and for this case it's the New International Version, but you can choose any version that you want. And these are the books list: Genesis, Exodus, Old Testament or New Testament, and we have progress bar. And let's say we have an example. Let's say we want to start reading on Numbers, this one, right? And we start at 12 September 2025, and we don't know yet when we will finish read, but maybe we have done 2 chapters and 5 verses, so the progress bar increased by 6%, or maybe you have done until 10 chapters, then it will increase like this. And maybe it's finished. Let's say it's finished 36 and it's finished, and then you can change this to finished. Okay, so it's free. You can get it in my Gumroad link. You can get it in this link also, and this is the information that you need. You can find the link in the description. Thank you guys. See you next time.